Okay guys, welcome back. It's Deb from Bowl Me Over. Thanks for joining me today. I'm so glad that you're here. Before we get started, a couple of things. Number one, all the recipe is in the ingredients below, in the instructions, see more below. So make sure if you miss something, it's right there for you. Number two, if you leave a comment, I'd sure appreciate it. And just a little story before we get started. Today we're going to do my ranch chicken recipe. It's a crockpot recipe, shredded chicken. It is so good. It's a recipe that actually my readers voted on for me to do next on YouTube. And I actually videotaped this last week and it was a great video. I was really happy with how it turned out. And then, well, at least I thought I would be. When I went to view it and start doing my editing, I realized I neglected to hit start. Yes, I actually neglected to hit start. So I hate it when that happens. So anyway, I tell you, life's too short, right? So we had ranch chicken that night. Now we're gonna have it again tonight. So anyway, let me walk you through the ingredients. And if you forget, remember everything's below. All the ingredients are below. Just hit the little see more, that'd be awesome. But what we're gonna need for this recipe, only 5 ingredients. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Chicken. I use chicken breasts in this. You can certainly use chicken thighs if you'd prefer. You just want them boneless and skinless. We're going to use cream of chicken soup. We're going to use chicken broth, some softened cream cheese, and ranch dressing. I am a big fan of Uncle Dan's. I just think it has the best flavor. Use your favorite. You know, if there's a favorite one you prefer, use that one. You'll need two little packets. So let's get started because it's super simple. We're going to spray the crock pot because we want, you know me, I'm lazy. I want to make sure the crock pot is easy to clean up, so that takes care of that for me. I'm going to add my chicken breasts. You can use 3 or 4. I've certainly used 4 chicken breasts in the past, and that still works out great. So we're going to put that aside. And next up, we just need to make our sauce. The sauce is the cream cheese and the cream of chicken soup, the broth, and the ranch dressing. And even though I've left this out and softened it, I'm going to hit it in the microwave just to make it a little bit easier to cream together. So let me start by getting this in here. Maybe baby, maybe not. Boy, that's a sticky one today. All right, let's take a minute. I'm going to get some of this extra cream cheese off the foil. And I'm going to put it in the microwave and soften it at 15-second intervals until it's pretty soft and whiskable. And I'll be right back. Okay, that was simple. Took 45 seconds in there. Watch it pretty close. Probably 10-second intervals would be better. There was a little bit of splattering, and that's okay. I'll clean that out as soon as we're done. So into the cream cheese goes the cream of chicken soup and our chicken broth. You know how you have those can openers that go like this with, you know, just to open? I don't know what happened to mine. I think I lost it like 6 months ago. I have no idea where it's at. At this point, I've given up. Oh well. So now I'm stuck with a regular can opener. So into here, we're gonna put our ranch dressing. You know, another, if you didn't have chicken broth, evaporated milk would be amazing. It would keep it nice and creamy. So, you know, there's an option for you. Okay. And now the goal is to whisk this together. And it's okay if there's lumps. You just don't want it to be one chunk of cream cheese. You want it to kind of start blending in with everything else. Now this looks watery, but by the time it's done, it is the most amazing gravy. So don't be too worried if it doesn't seem very thick initially, because it thickens up really nicely as it cooks in the crock pot. So like I said, a few lumps are okay. So we're going to take this and just pour it right into the crock pot. Isn't that simple? Like 5 minutes of prep at the most. I'm going to turn this on low. And I'll let this cook for 8 to 10 hours. It'll surely be ready, usually at 8. All crock pots can be a little bit different, so just check yours. You can also cook it on high for 4 hours. It is not my favorite though, because I think it changes the texture of the chicken. It seems to be a little more grainy. And this is like the perfect creamy chicken. And you'll see when this is done. 8 hours, 8 to 10 on low. I'm gonna go about my day. You go about your day, and we'll see you back in a few. Let's let this do its thing. Okay guys, you know this is like my favorite way to shred chicken because it's quick and easy. And just like that, it's done. Okay guys, let me tell you, the house smells amazing. This has been cooking for 8 hours. And the whole house smells just fabulous. The chicken is tender. The sauce has thickened up. Wasn't that a great tip to easily shred chicken? That's my favorite tip. It just works so good, I do it every time. So hopefully that'll work for you as well if you have a hand mixer. So let's give this a try and we'll see how yummy this is. Oh my gosh. Now, when it comes to serving this, you can put it over egg noodles, you can put it over rice, you can put it in a sandwich, you can wrap it in tortillas, you can eat it just plain. Actually, I think that's how Dan and I are gonna do it tonight, just eat it just plain. And it's absolutely wonderful. You can put it over mashed potatoes. Let's give it a try. Guys, if you haven't made this, you need to make this real soon. The chicken is so tender and so juicy. The gravy's amazing. Oh, that's good. You can tell it's good because I'm going back for thirds. I'll stop eating now. I hope you give this a try soon though, okay? It's so easy, it's so simple, and so versatile too. That would be a great weeknight dinner. Anytime you're busy and on the move, this is a yummy recipe. Now don't forget, please like this video. I'd sure appreciate that. Leave a comment below, that would mean the world to me. All of the ingredients, all of the instructions are below. Just click the little see more thing and it'll have everything you need right below that. Give this a try and let me know what you think, okay? We'll see you next time. Thanks so much for joining me today.